Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on top-rated products. Today, we're showcasing what we believe to be the best reflective quick-dry fabric running shorts available for boys, the Exarus Boys Athletic Shorts. These shorts are designed for high performance and all-day comfort, and we're going to tell you exactly why they stand out from the crowd. Let's dive right in with the design and material. These shorts are made from a woven blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex. That combination makes them ultra-lightweight and flexible, providing just the right amount of stretch without compromising durability. The fabric is quick-drying and moisture-wicking, which means whether your child is on the basketball court, soccer field, or running around the park, these shorts will help keep them cool, dry, and comfortable throughout. The Exarus shorts come in two main options, a 4-inch and a 6-inch inseam. The version we're looking at here is the upgraded woven 4-inch variant, perfect for kids who prefer a more agile fit for activities that require high mobility. One of the most important features to highlight is that the fabric is water-resistant, adding a layer of protection against sudden weather changes or water splashes during play. This makes them ideal for outdoor sports or summer adventures. From a functional standpoint, these shorts are incredibly thoughtful. They feature high-quality zipper pockets, which is a huge plus. Your child can carry small essentials like keys, snacks, or even a phone securely without worrying about items falling out during movement. The inclusion of reflective details is also a brilliant safety touch. Whether they're biking at dusk or heading home from practice in the early evening, those reflective accents improve visibility, enhancing safety. Another win is the adjustable elastic waistband with a drawstring. It allows for a custom fit so your child can adjust it according to their comfort level. It sits mid-rise and provides a secure but non-restrictive fit that doesn't dig into the skin or slip down while running or jumping. While these shorts don't offer direct muscle support, the woven fabric still provides just enough resistance to keep everything feeling supported and in place. These shorts are imported and offer the quality you'd expect from a premium brand. They're designed for intense activity and have been tested across multiple sports environments. Whether your child is into basketball, soccer, track and field, or simply wants something breathable and comfortable for day-to-day wear, these shorts really check all the boxes. If you're shopping for the best athletic shorts for boys that offer great mobility, lightweight performance, quick drying, water resistance, and a stylish, modern fit, this is it. The Exarus shorts also have excellent durability, so they'll hold up well to frequent washes and hard play. And just a quick note, Exarus also offers other variants including 2-in-1 shorts and knitted 5-pack versions for those looking for more options or a value bundle. But the 4 inches upgraded woven version we're featuring today is clearly designed with top-tier quality and performance in mind. So, if you're a parent looking to invest in athletic wear that truly delivers on comfort, utility, and performance, this is an excellent choice. That wraps up our review of the Exarus Boys Athletic Shorts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest product breakdowns. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we test, review, and reveal the best. See you in the next one.